but today I'm going to make slime. Well, I'm going to attempt to make slime, okay? So all you need is some liquid detergent and some Elmer's glue. And if you want to add food coloring, you can, which I am. And, so let's get started. We're back, and all you want to add, is some Elmer's glue, which I've already put in the bucket, as you can see. And then you just want to add just a little of the detergent. I think I added a little way too much of there. Let me dump some out. Yes, our sink is a mess. And then if you want to add, you can add a little food coloring. I'm going to add that real quick, guys. Then you want to mix it all up together, and it just creates slime. So you gotta mix actually a lot. So I'm gonna go off camera and mix for a while, and I'll come back. You can totally see I've got some major slime here. It is so cool. Look at this. It's pretty darn easy. It will stick to your hands though, because you know I had glue on it. But this has been a fun video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Oh my gosh, got slime on camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching so much. Bye.